Well, welcome to your learning with Igbo Ndioma. Thank you for joining us for our very first Igbo class. And today, the topic we're exploring is Ekele Ndi Igbo. It means greetings in Igbo language. So sit back as we take you through the major greetings in Igbo language. Ndewo. So ndewo bu hello. Ndewo. So you're meant to respond when someone says ndewo, same way the person would say hello in English. So ndewo, you're meant to respond ndewo. So ndewo, ndewo. Kedu ka imere? So it means how are you? Kedu ka imere? Then you're meant to respond Odimma imela. Odimma imela. So it means fine, thank you. And you are going to ask the person Ginwakwano. So what that means is and you, then you will respond Odimma emailer. So that's fine. Thank you. Let's go over it one more time. Ndewo. Kedu ka imere? Odimma emailer. Ginwakwano. Odimma emailer. So the next slide. So usually when you meet someone for the first time, you would obviously ask to know the person. So kedu aha gị? That means what is your name? Kedu aha gị? Aha m bụ Ọmalịcha. Gị nwakwanụ. So my name is Ọmalịcha, and you. Same question we asked in the previous slide. So onye ebee ka ị bụ? It means where are you from? Abụ m onye Nri. So it means I'm from Nri. Gị nwakwanụ. So you also ask the person to know where the person is from. Gị nwakwanụ. Then you say abụ m. Gị nwakwanụ onye ebee ka ị bụ? Say abụ m onye. Then you tell us where you are from. So let's go over it for the last time. Kedu aha gị? Aha m bụ Ọmalịcha. Gị nwakwanụ. Aha m bụ, then you say your name because I just asked gị nwakwanụ, so and you, then you tell us your name. Onye ebee ka ị bụ? That means where are you from? Abụ m onye Anambra. Gị nwakwanụ, so I'm asking you. Onye ebee ka ị bụ? Then you're going to respond abụ m onye, then fill the gap. Abụ m onye America. Abụ m onye Imo State. The next slide. So ekele ndị Igbo, greetings in Igbo continues. So hello bụ ndewo. Hello, ndewo. Sorry, ndo. Sorry, ndo. Thank you. That means imeela. But some people also say dalo. So either imeela or dalo is absolutely correct. So thank you bụ imeela. Thank you bụ dalo. Good night, kachifo. Or you can say ka obo. Good night, kobo. Good night bụ kachifo. Later, later bụ ka emesịa. Later, ka emesịa. So I'll run through it from the beginning. Ndewo. I hope you're responding after me to get the pronunciation. Ndewo. Ndo. imeela, daalụ, kachifo, kobo, ka emesịa, ka emesịa. Then we go to the next slide. So, good morning bụ ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning bụ ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good evening, abalị ọma. Welcome, nnọọ. Goodbye, nabo. Please, biko. So I'll run through it for the last time. Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abalị ọma, nnọọ, nabo, biko. Okay, so we go to the next slide. So that's it with the greetings. But in this study, I've gone ahead to, because English pronunciation is quite different from Igbo pronunciation, and there are is the vowels and extra letters in Igbo alphabet that makes the pronunciation different and is tricky for some people. So I have highlighted the vowels, and I've brought out a few examples of vowels that contain those words, so that we'll learn how the pronunciation goes. Okay, so in English language we have 5 vowels, but we have 8 in Igbo language. Simply put, the difference is just the I with a dot at the bottom, U with a dot at the bottom, and O with a dot at the bottom. So sit back and listen as I pronounce words that contains these vowels. So the first one is ah, ah, aka, aka is hand, anya, eyes. Then we have bu e. Example bu efere, plate. Eze, teeth. So we have aka, anya, efere, eze. And the next line we have I, which is e. Example bu ite, ite bu pot. Isi, isi bu 6. Ire, ire bu tongue. And we also have the I with dots under, which is A. Example, Eba. Eba bu drum. Then we have Isha, Isha bu crayfish. So we have Ite, Isi, Ire, Eba, Isha. Then on the next line we have O, the regular O. Example, Obi, Obi bu heart. Osisi, Osisi bu stick. Oroma, Oroma bu orange. Then we have the O with dots at the bottom. Example bu Onu, Onu bu mouth. Oka, Oka bu corn. So I'll run through it for the last time. Obi, osisi, oroma. Then ọnụ, ọka. Then the last bụ U, the regular U. Example, une. So in Igbo, U is pronounced as U. Une, banana. Ube, pear. Ude, cream. And we have another the U with dots at the bottom. Example, ụtụtụ, ụtụtụ bụ morning. Ụtara, ụtara bụ our kind of food, swallow. So we have une, ube, ude, ụtụtụ, ụtara. And we go to the very last slide. So and the letter continues. So this is even more tricky than the vowels. Most of the letters are paired. They come in twos. And there's one, and the last one is N with a dot above, not at the bottom this time. So I'll just quickly run through words that begin or contains those paired letters. We call them Odambe in Igbo. So Mpe is like saying a twin. So Odambe. Okay, so let's go on with the examples. So ch ch example bụ Chukwu. Chukwu bụ God. Chikama. Chikama is just someone's name. So Chukwu, Chikama. Then the next one bụ B. Example, Igbo. Nabo, Igbo bụ language, which is what we're learning here today. And if you I'm aware that most people call our language Igbo. It's not Igbo. You can see it's GB together. So like saying Igbo. Nabo, Igbo, Nabo. So Igbo language we're learning. Then Nabo by GH. So like saying G and H together. Example, aro alligator. Then barara forgive. Barara, aro. Then the next one is gwa. So like GW together. Gwa. Example, ụgwọ bụ debt. Ụgwọ. Then we have egwu. Egwu bụ play or song. Egwu. So ụgwọ, egwu. And we have another one, KP. KP is pronounced as P. Example, akpa. Akpa bụ bag. Okpu. Okpu bụ hat or cap. So akpa, okpu. Then we move on to KW. KW is pronounced as kwa. So K and W together, kwa. Example, akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ bụ book. Akwa. Akwa bụ egg. Akwụkwọ, akwa, akwụkwọ, akwa. And the next one is NW. It's pronounced as nwa, nwa. Example, nwanyị. Nwanyị bụ female. Nwoke. Nwoke bụ male. Then gịnwa. Gịnwa bụ you. You remember on the previous slides when we were exploring the greetings. So we said gịnwa kwano, so and you, so gịnwa. So we have nwanyị, nwoke, gịnwa. Then the next is NW. NW is pronounced as nye, nye. Example, anya. Anya bụ eyes. Anyị. Anyị bụ we. Anya, anyị. Then we have the SH. SH is pronounced same as English. So example bụ isha, isha bụ crayfish. Asha, asha bụ a kind of bird. So isha, asha. Then the very final and unique one is the nge. So it's just N, but it's pronounced N with a dot above, and it's pronounced as nge, nge. And I've given one example here, ngo. So that's to drink. For example, ngo mmiri, drink water, ngo. So that is it for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us, and remember, constant practicing will make you perfect. Please go ahead and subscribe so that when we post subsequent tests, you will be able to get notification so that you will keep learning Igbo language with us. Ndewo, ka mesịa.